To survive in life, you can do anything which you are asked to do or forced to do. But to succeed in life, you have to do something which you are created to do. There is a purpose for everyone's life. Unfortunately, most people forgot to ask that question to themselves. Why I am created to do? What is the purpose of my life? If you can ask this question honestly to yourself, the answer is always ready. You exactly knew what you're created to do for. When you know what you have to do rest of your life, don't take excuses that I don't have resources, I don't have enough money, I don't have this, that. If you observe most successful people in the respective industries today, they didn't have enough resources when they started off. They didn't have enough money. They didn't have anything, matter of fact. All they had was a strong passion and strong belief, and they clearly know why they created to do. And those people really achieved. If you're passionate something, it's okay to continue your regular or a day job. But you start work on your passion in the evening time. And definitely when you convert your passion to profession and you become a complete person and you love and you celebrate every moment of life. Think about it. Venu G Somineni.